Welcome to 39 Northeast Deerfield Drive in Elgin, Oklahoma. This is a very quiet, peaceful neighborhood. As you can tell when you look around, this is a very sought after neighborhood. This is very close driving distance to Lawton, Fort Sill, which a lot of the community here is military and retired military people. As we go inside, you'll see there's beautiful, lush landscaping, and the place is fenced with a privacy fence. And this actually sits on a 1 acre lot. As you can tell, it has beautiful landscaping. And as we go into the entryway to the front door, it's just absolutely stunning with the gorgeous foliage that has been put here. And it's growing up real good this spring. Now, as we go on inside, you will see that this has been fully remodeled, all new flooring, all new carpet, all new paint and texturing. The windows have all new blinds. This has a brand new appeal to it. So if you're looking for a fully remodeled house, this is definitely a great property. This right here, as you're seeing, that was a electric fireplace. And over here is the kitchen with an open floor plan, as you can tell. That's the den area. And this is obviously the living area right here. Now, as we move along here, I love the fireplace. Uh, you will find that going this way, you can look out the back door. You can see the huge backyard with the kids' playland, everything. There's even a chicken coop out there if you want to raise some chickens. And out here, as you can tell, the huge yard, we come looking back around. This is the masterpiece. This is a freshly remodeled kitchen with new black granite countertops. Little dining nook right here with a beautiful view at the backyard. This place just has an amazing view when you're looking here. So if you have young ones or pets, you can keep an eye on them right there. And so, as we kind of pan around the room here, I want to give everybody a real full idea of the breadth of this property. As you can see, these cabinets have all new handles, been painted, have fresh, brand new granite countertops, all new uh, hexagon tile backsplashes, electric stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. Uh, this is an amazing kitchen. If you love to cook, you'll love to cook in this kitchen. I absolutely love it. So, as you can see, everything has been accented very well, very modern. We believe you're going to love this kitchen. It has all new flooring again, and the farmer's sink. And as we move on around here, I want to kind of show you that again, just how gorgeous this is. Elegant, eloquent, just absolutely beautiful. I love this. So, if you have an admiration for a modern kitchen, you're going to absolutely love this one. As you can tell, we went all out to make sure this was going to be just the most fabulous kitchen we could. And there's the pantry. And moving around here is a laundry room area right there. And as you move to the right, that's the master bedroom that you're seeing here. So as we kind of walk in here and pan out, you can see the backyard again. So if you're a parent and you have kids, this would be great. Keep an eye on the kids while you're hanging out at the bedroom. Um, this is also big enough to have a bed and have your little small home office in it. Very large room. And it has a little entertainment center. Love the beautiful ceiling fan. Now, as we kind of come back over here, I just want to give everybody there's new carpet. As we come back around, and to the right is the master bathroom, which we also just remodeled it. And it has a brand new countertop and so forth there, as you can see. Beautiful. Just a stunning bathroom. Jack and Jill, brand new sinks, countertops. I think Anybody will fall in love with this. Has plenty of room on the countertops for all your things. Lots of storage. It also has a walk-in closet. And yes, I love this countertop. It's just amazing, beautiful. As you can see, everything is completely modern and been put in right, very professionally. Now, as we move across over here, you'll see the walk-in closet has a lot of room in here for all your stuff for the master bedroom, and it has plenty of shelves, has lots of places to hang your clothes, very large size walk-in closet. Um, let's see. As we move on around here, we've done the whole house in new paint, has recessed lights, very, very, very beautiful decor. Tiled floor. And now let's move around here. We're going to go back into the garage. Right outside of here is where the garage is. So you open this door, boom, there's the garage, freshly painted floor, everything. This is like moving into a brand new house, people. It's everything has been reconditioned and refurbished. This is going to make someone a very nice home. This is a very large garage, very clean. So if you like hanging out in the garage, this is definitely going to be a beautiful, clean garage for the person that likes to do their work in the garage. And as we go back over here, there's another look at the kitchen. Okay, as you can tell, that's a very lengthy countertop there with plenty of room. And this is the den, I guess you would call it, or foyer, with a very beautiful look outside. Gorgeous new lighting. You'll notice all the matching lighting. This is the other bathroom. You can tell, pretty basic, but very nice and clean and freshly painted, freshly remodeled. And this is a little closet, like a broom closet. Over here is one of the bedrooms that faces the front of the house. Nice, spacious bedroom, double door closet. And as we come on down this way, there's the thermostat, and there's the another linen closet. And this is the other bedroom with brand new carpeting in it as well. New ceiling fans, beautiful new doors for the closet, and it's a quite spacious room as well. And then as we leave out of here, kind of cut back through the living room, do a little pan around, and let's take a quick run out to the backyard. Love the fireplace. As we go through the French doors to the backyard, you'll see the playland set. There's a little chicken coop over there if you want it. And it has a very nice area here. The backyard is just huge. If you guys are into growing a garden, this would be an amazing place to have a garden if this is truly an entertainer's home. Lots of room to have your friends and family over. Around to this side of the house, the people had a garden area and it was doing quite well. So just give you some ideas what that could be used for on that side of the house. And we're going to be joining with the neighbor to put up a new fence there on that side you just saw. And so, as you can tell, the backyard is just absolutely stunning. Beautiful back covered patio area, concrete, great for grilling, having family, friends over. This is truly a gorgeous home.